Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Google Ad Editor. Okay, so this program will help you to create, edit, add, even when you are offline. You just do everything, put it on Excel and upload it. Okay, so we are going to start. Go to Google, look for download Google Ad Editor. Okay, it's gonna take you to the first page, first URL. So this is the one here. Okay, from here you click download. From here you click save. So this is the one here. I'm gonna install it. Not yet. You can see it's done. Now let's open the app. It's the one here. So from here, you're going to select the language you want to use. Okay. You go next. You read the term and condition. Accept. You select language here. Okay. Location. Click OK. Okay, if you want to walk me through to the basic, or you can skip the tutorial. If you want, you can just go through. I'm gonna explain to you everything how it's go. Okay, so from here you can add an account. I'm gonna choose my Gmail account that got my Google editor. I'm gonna click continue, allow. As you can see, a success. Okay, now let's go back to Google Ad Editor. So from here, you are going to select the one you want to use. Okay, so I want to select this one. Click OK. From here, you can select all campaign. If you want to download them, you click OK. If you want, you can open a different account from here. Okay, so when you're done, in my case, I got already my campaign. I got all the negative keyword, and then I got all my positive, what I can call positive keyword for my ad. Okay, so this is how you install Google Ad Editor. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.